Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Fusion headlight. First, you will need to gather a few basic tools, such as a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Next, we will access the headlight assembly by removing a couple of bolts. Then, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Finally, we will install the new headlight bulb and reassemble everything. To begin, open your car's hood and locate the headlight assembly. You will see two bolts on top of the assembly. Use your ratchet with a 10mm socket to remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire assembly straight forward to release it from its retaining clips. Finally, disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it free. Now that the assembly is out, you can access the bulb. Twist the old headlight bulb counterclockwise to unlock and remove it from its housing. When handling the new bulb, be sure to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing and twist it clockwise to secure it. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. With the new bulb installed, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring the clips engage properly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier and tighten them securely. Close the hood of your vehicle. Finally, turn on your car's lights to test the new headlight, making sure both the low and high beams are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.